Hey guys, so today I'm just starting on freshly blow dried hair. I just did the usual wash, deep condition, do a little rice water, and now I'm going to go part my hair, but I didn't show that part because it took way too long. So y'all, this is day 2, and the reason why I already started, but the reason why I didn't record is because I finished the braiding process at literally 11, I think it was like 11:55, and I started at 6:17 or 18, I don't know. I was so over it, like I didn't want to record, so I just decided to like do some of it, most of it. I stayed up till 3 o'clock. The thing about this is it's gonna feel like you've been doing this for 30 minutes, but in reality it's been 3 hours. So this is my hair right now. This is what I did so far, and this is my first time doing this hairstyle, so like it's not gonna be perfect. I was scared because since half of my hair is brown, you know how it would look, but it doesn't seem to look that bad. I will see the whole thing when I'm done, so I'm just gonna go get back to it right now. The hair that I'm using is Bobbi Boss New Locks 1B 18 inch. I'm going for that little like distressed look. I mean, I don't know if it looks distressed. Honestly, I feel like either way, if it's not distressed or not, it's gonna turn out cute. There's like a whole bunch of methods you could do it. I watched a lot of videos actually, and my go-to ones, the ones that like helped me a lot, was from, I'll put the names on the screen, or I'll put the link in the description, but those really helped me a lot. To be honest, I doubt anyone's gonna watch this video because like honestly, I don't promote nothing. I don't promote this on my social media at all. Like, I'll just do this in private, because if I'm doing it in private, I know nobody's watching. That way I have more confidence, if you know what I mean. I don't know, I just like at first I was promoting my YouTube or whatever. I made like 2 videos. I don't think I promoted them. I didn't. Yeah, I didn't promote them, but I mean they did kind of good for my first 2 videos, but I have one of them on private now. Go check out my lip playlist video and my how to do a slick back ponytail video, because they're pretty cool. So I don't know if I'm talking a lot, but honestly, even though I know how to do hair, I'm not passionate about it. Like, if I wanted to, I could have been started doing hair years ago. Chose not to, and then grew up in the Caribbean. Like, knowing how to like do hair and braid was very important. So I got an early start. Like, if people want me to do their hair, I do their hair. Actually, I don't. I do my friends' hair. Actually, no. Do certain people's hair for free because, you know, I don't really care. I mean, they pay still. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna just move to the top part and do the front just in case I don't have enough, so that way I can just cover it up. So that's what I'm about to do now. But honestly, I have 2 more packs and this much, so I think I should be good. Like, I think I should be good. But I did my parts in like a brick layer so that way it looks full. And honestly, I hate when people don't be doing like the brick layer, like it's just stacked on top of each other. Like, that's so ugly. And then the fact that you be hyping it up, like friends be talking about that's so cute. No, it's not. Don't lie. Like, be honest. But yeah, that's all I had to say. I don't think my mom likes it. Like, she likes the hair, but she doesn't like how I chose to do like distressed instead of like smooth. But you know what? It's my hair. The fuck? I mean, the truck. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I'm sorry. I just talk low naturally, unless I'm around a group of people who I know. Yeah, I'm kind of a tad bit loud. I think I'm gonna pop it, but it hurt. Ooh, that's not on my groove. Voila. And honestly, I'm not really like feeling it. Not the style, it's just that it's like so big on me. Like, I don't know. Like, I just don't know. Like, it does not look right on me. I'm sorry. Like, this looks disgusting. Can it I forgot, yeah, my edges are like brown on this side, so that's probably why. But I'm just not, I'm not feeling it. But I did do good though. Like, it's nice and tight and secure. Loki made it too tight around my edges, this one, but it's fine. I mean, it is what it is. I gotta live with it, so I just gotta make it do. It's gonna grow on me eventually, but as for right now, this is the final product. And like I said, this was my first time attempting this hairstyle, so this is how it looks in between, you know, nice and secure. I meant nice and neat, that's what I meant. But if you want more content like this, well, actually, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing any hair videos soon, seeing as how my hair is like this, and I want to keep it in for a while, at least like June. I don't know, end of June, I don't know. I just need to leave my hair alone, let it grow, because I've been cutting it, flat ironing it, bleaching it. I need to just let it rest. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, don't be stingy. Remember to like this video and subscribe and comment. Well, I don't know if you comment, because I think YouTube turned off my comments, I don't know, but I will be dropping new content every Friday. Well, I will try to, but I mean, school is basically over with, so I mean, I got the time. This is the end of today's video of me attempting to do distressed soft faux locks, and it's cute, just not on me, you know. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.